Are you experiencing numbness, tingling, and pain that just won't stop? Are you taking dangerous drugs that have serious side effects and never fix the pain? If so, please listen to this message. Neuropathy is a serious, progressive condition that only gets worse if not treated properly. Call SF Bay Wellness at 844-94-NERVE to get back to doing the things you want to do. There is no drug, exercise, or surgery that can heal nerves. Don't wait until your condition gets worse and stops you from living your life fully. SF Bay Wellness has a time-tested, proven track record of helping hundreds of patients to improve and reverse their neuropathy. If you're ready to regain your independence, contact SF Bay Wellness at 844-94-NERVE. Call now for your $99 neuropathy special and receive a personal treatment plan that is tailored to your needs. Call 844-94-NERVE. That's 844-94-NERVE and start to enjoy life again.
Hey guys, Mike Valeni for Cash the Ticket Podcast. If you like sports betting or just like sports, it's the podcast for you. We try to cover all the big games and maybe some of the games you didn't even know were important. Give you some angles, pick some winners, have a good time, and hopefully help you meander through college and pro football season. So join us a couple times a week to get all your information you need to bet the games that you watch. It's Cash the Ticket on the Odyssey app or wherever you get your podcast.
KCBS News Time, 11:42. The price of gas throughout the Bay Area is well above $6 a gallon. As KCBS reporter Jim Taylor tells us, analysts have their reasons. Are you feeling the pain?
People are getting hurt with these high gasoline prices and diesel prices, which are over $7 a gallon.
Oil industry analyst Bill Flynn, the Price Futures Group, he says refinery maintenance shutdowns, the primary reason California prices are higher.
The stricter regulations, trying to shut down refineries, trying to outlaw fossil fuels.
And yes, next month, the state moves to lower pollution standards in California.
Changing to the winter blends of gasoline, that's probably going to knock off 10 to 15 cents per gallon. But, that it doesn't seem to be a lot when, the price of, gasoline is, over $6, right?
National average, $3.80 a gallon. Jim Taylor, KCBS. The 49ers and their fans saying that's more like it. We'll have sports in 90 seconds.
KCBS is an equal opportunity employer, and we encourage local community organizations to refer qualified applicants to us. You can receive KCBS and Odyssey job vacancy information by contacting Human Resources at 415-765-4011 or by emailing sfhr@odyssey.com.
She posted about it
Just now,
Celebrities can't get enough of Be Honest's folk skincare line.
she has 147 million followers. How do we monetize?
She needs a social media associate to help her with the hype.
We should repost this. Do we need a hashtag?
Indeed can help her hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. You can schedule and conduct virtual interviews all from your employer dashboard. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Navien tankless water heaters, the proven leader in technology. Request a Navien because you deserve the best in endless hot water delivery. Learn about Navien's condensing tankless water heaters and find a Navien contractor at tanklessmadesimple.com.
Are you seeing the telomeres here? Come here, look at the scope.
Dr. Ocasio's lab startup just discovered a gene therapy breakthrough.
Cells have already doubled.
He needs a fleet of research assistants before this breakthrough breaks them.
We need lab techs, research assistants.
Indeed can help him hire great people fast.
I need Indeed.
Indeed you do. We instantly connect you with quality candidates whose resumes on Indeed match your job description. Visit Indeed.com/credit and get $75 towards your first sponsored job. Terms and conditions apply.
Coming up on KCBS.
I'm Lou St. John. A new poll finds Bay Area residents are in a grumpy mood. We'll explain why.
KCBS News Time, 1:45. 49er fans aren't in a grumpy mood tonight. Let's go to the KCBS Sports Desk and Stephen Langford.
It was a big night for the 49ers as they take down the division rival Rams on Monday Night Football by the score of 24-9. The 49ers defense continued to show why they're one of the best in the NFL, but it was wide receiver Deebo Samuel who had the play of the night. Here's down very quick throw, what a catch! Samuel stays upright! Terrific catch and run! One-on-one with Ramsey. Can't bring him down. Samuel, highlight reel, touchdown! Joe Buck on the call for
ESPN, Samuel leaped and caught the ball in midair and somehow landed on the ground after bumping into a Rams defender. He then managed to weave his way through the rest of the defense all the way to the end zone.
I mean, I saw him driving on it, so I just didn't want to throw the interception. Kind of give it a either Debo will get or no one will, and that's about all I did on the play. Debo did the rest, man. He's fun, man. He's fun to watch. It's awesome having a guy like that.
That was quarterback Jimmy Garoppolo speaking to the media after the game. Samuel is one of the toughest guys to tackle in football and told the 49ers postgame for NBC Sports Bay Area that his style of play was instilled in him growing up.
It's just the mentality that I come out here with week in and week out. One guy's not going to tackle me. That's just a mindset thing I've always had, and my dad instilled it in me when I was 4 years old playing with 6, 7, and 8-year-olds. So he built the toughness in me, and it shows week in and week out.
And there's a reason why Deebo Samuel was voted as an All-Pro last year. Now 2-2 on the season and take on the Panthers in Carolina on Sunday. At the Sports Desk, I'm Stephen Langford, KCBS.
Baseball action tonight at the Coliseum. The A's scored twice in the bottom of the 8th, twice in the bottom of the 9th, and once in the bottom of the 10th to beat the Angels 5-4. Giants lost at San Diego 7-4.
Sort of business. This has been a bumpy ride. From pandemic to inflation, I'm sure you could use a break. If your business has 5 or more employees and survived COVID, you might be eligible to receive a payroll tax refund of up to $26,000 per employee. The challenge is getting your hands on it. Hi, I'm Howard Mackler, and that's why I founded GetRefunds.com to cut through the red tape and get you the money. The team of tax attorneys we have put together are highly trained in this little-known payroll tax refund program. We do all charge not a dime up front and simply share a percentage of the cash that we get for you. Businesses of all types can qualify, including those that took PPP, nonprofits, and even those that had increases in sales. We have helped return over $1 billion to businesses, and we can help you too. Just go to getrefunds.com/news, click on Qualify Me, and answer a few questions. This payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to getrefunds.com/news. That's getrefunds.com/news.
If you're thinking about home improvement, why not choose products that last longer, look better, and provide real energy efficiency, all while increasing the comfortability of your home. For over 50 years, Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. Free estimates and financing available when you call toll-free 855-777-1234 or online at Armstrong1234. Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. License 245291.
We don't take a break from what we do. We cover the news around the clock.
Service is resuming. I am watching as westbound trains are once again leaving from the West Oakland BART station. But we don't know exactly why this train lost power, so an investigation will still be forthcoming.
We are the only news station broadcasting live from the Bay Area every hour of the day, every day of the week.
And as you can imagine, there are major delays on the system. Reporting live at the West Oakland BART station, Matt Bickler, KCBS.
It's one more reason why we're the Bay Area's #1 news station. All news, all the time, right here on KCBS.
Let's get an update now on our current traffic troubles. We go to Carolyn Burns at the KCBS traffic desk.
Well, Peter, in that San Lorenzo area, on northbound 880 just before Hesperian Boulevard, it turns out it's actually a 2-car crash. One of those cars had rolled a couple of times, and right now with CHP, I'm seeing the 3 right lanes are now blocked, and ambulance is also on the way, so drivers are now starting to slow from just after West A Street. You're crawling by the time you reach Hacienda Avenue, but then as you get past the scene, which is going to take you a little while, everything looks good until right around 98th Avenue. That's where you might still be some. We had an earlier crash there, overturned vehicle on its roof on the right-hand shoulder. They may still be trying to get a tow truck on scene there, but other than that, everything looks good as you make your way into downtown Oakland. Your next traffic update's at 11:58 on the Traffic Leader, KCBS.
You can expect mostly cloudy skies tomorrow at the coast, becoming sunny along the bay and inland. Highs mid to upper 60s at the coast, 70s by the bay, low to mid 80s inland. For the remainder of the week and on through next weekend, generally speaking, it will be partly to mostly cloudy at the coast, mostly sunny along the bay and inland. Highs upper 60s to low 70s at the coast, mid 70s to mid 80s along the bay. Inland, it will be in the 80s through Friday.